You don't need more frameworks, you need permission to start. The calm comes from realizing clarity isn't a prerequisite for motion, it's a product of it. Every small step reveals the next one, and the pressure to get it right first dissolves once you begin. Progress feels lighter when you stop waiting for perfect conditions and simply move. Fear of mistakes, comparison with others, and information overload create paralysis. The mind fills the gaps with imagined consequences, borrowed timelines, and endless options. Calm returns when you shrink the field. One step, one signal, one move you control. Momentum doesn't come from certainty. It comes from starting before you feel ready. Build blocks, read signals, grow loops, protect moats. That's it. The entire operating system reduces to 4 moves done in sequence, each one reinforcing the next. When you stop chasing complexity and follow this arc, the work gets lighter, the path gets clearer, and progress starts to compound instead of reset. You don't use everything at once. Ignore what doesn't apply yet. The system only works when you match the tool to the stage you're actually in. Reaching for advanced parts too early just multiplies noise and pressure. Focus on the piece that moves today's problem forward, and the rest becomes obvious when you're ready for it. Weekly blocks, monthly reviews, quarterly decisions create momentum without pressure. They give you a rhythm that's steady enough to build progress and spacious enough to think clearly. When you stop trying to sprint every week, the work becomes calmer, more deliberate, and far more sustainable. The system compounds because you're no longer burning out between steps. Tool hoarding, premature scaling, and over-documentation stall progress. They create the illusion of movement while pulling attention away from the few actions that actually shift outcomes. When everything becomes a priority, nothing compounds. Momentum returns when you cut the excess. Focus on the next block and let clarity, not clutter, set the pace. Idea to first block, to first signal, to next decision. Nothing fancy. It's the simplest path that still creates real momentum. Turn an idea into action. Let the action produce a signal, and let the signal shape the next move. When you stop trying to architect everything up front, the system becomes lighter, calmer, and far easier to sustain. Success feels calm, clarity, fewer decisions, steady progress. It's the shift from reacting to everything to moving through a rhythm you control. When the system is simple and the signals are clean, you stop second-guessing every step. The work gets lighter, the path gets clearer, and momentum builds without the constant pressure to prove you're on track. Run the system. Trust the process. The first cycle is where everything shifts. 1 problem, 3 blocks, 1 metric, 1 week of honest work. You don't need to predict the whole path. You just need the next step. Start the cycle, let the signals emerge, and watch clarity replace hesitation as momentum begins to build. Visit StartupDNA.shop for more details.